Hello everyone. So today I have come up with a new project which I made nearly. I took 4 to 5 months for me to make it because I have to go with different research. Okay, so I hope you can see this box. So this is a box in which I have made a small humanoid robot, and this is a copy of Plentu robot. Okay, so this is the first humanoid robot which I have made it, and it has nearly 18 servo motors and a Arduino Nano board inside it. So I'll just show you a few of the things to where you can download this 3D printed file, and then you need to think of small components like magnet, where to place, so that like you can see this, it has 4 magnets and you just need to stick it over here and it's done. Okay, so yeah, so since this has 18 servo motors, so when you program it, it will be at a little difficult level. Okay, so you can just let me know if you have any questions in the comment box so that I can help you out. So just when we type Plento robot, and we can go directly to the official website of Plento robot. So over here I can show you like how does the Plento robots look like, what are the components you can buy from them, and this is whole 3D printed and used for education purpose. There is a small video at below also, like you can see how they have made it step by step, and then how you connect the components, and then how you connect with the software. So everything is shown there. So I just wanted to make this robot, and I went to the MakerBot thing I was, from where I can download the Plento 3D files. So since I have a SG90 motor, so I just made the size of the Plento 120%. So these are the 3D printed parts that I have printed, and by using glue gun I have added them together to form this robot. Programming section. So since we have 18 servo motors, so I have written it like LALBLC. So L stands for left side and R stands for the right side of the humanoid robot. And then all of them, just like we define servo motors, so over here it is like which pin I have connected. So I have connected from pin number 2 to 12, and then A0 to A5. So like this becomes 18 servo motors. For example, for each motor I have taken the angle, and over here you can see I am first checking with the leg angle, and then this is like I have checked with every servo motor which position is best for the standing. So I have just calculated one by one and I have put the angle. So when I upload this code, the robot is going to stand. So after uploading the code, I am just powering it on, and then you can see first it will go to some different, yeah, stage, and then slowly it will turn all his hand in a proper place, and then the leg part also, so that it can stand. I feel it requires little more tuning so that it can stand. There is like I have just made something like stand Saruk. So this is like a position the robot will be showing of a movie star. So here I have placed the robot on the table, and then I am just powering it up, and you can see suddenly it changes its way, and I'm trying it to make it stand, because this is like you can see it's not so stable. So as soon as you leave, okay, so we need to be very careful with this, and we need to actually tune little more so that it can stand. And over here you can see that how it's actually standing when we have tuned it. I hope you like the Plento robot, and we'll keep posting few more activities of Plento robot in coming videos. Thank you and have a great day.